Choosing a restaurant. 1.
Devi, have you thought about where would you like to go to dinner on Friday for your birthday?
I am not sure. I don't know that many restaurants around here.
You know, we could look online at the local internet sites.
Good. Let's take a look.
What kind of food would you like for your birthday?
I enjoy Thai or Japanese the best.
This one, Shogun, looks good.
Oh yes, I've heard of that one. Everyone I've spoken with says that it is great.
Would you like to go there then?
I think that would be a really good choice. Let's call and make a reservation.
2.
Devi, do you have any preference for where you would like to go for dinner for your birthday?
I don't really know where I want to go. I am having trouble thinking of a particular restaurant.
There is a great restaurant directory here in the weekend section of the newspaper.
Okay, we could look at that.
Do you have a particular type of food that you would like?
I really like Japanese or Thai food.
That Japanese restaurant, Shogun, got good reviews.
Oh yeah. I saw a review of that restaurant on television. The reviewer loved it.
Would that be a place that you might like to go to for your birthday?
That would work out great. Why don't we call and get a reservation?
3.
Devi, do you have a favorite place that you would like to go to for your birthday dinner?
I am kind of at a loss right now to think of some place special.
I've got a great guidebook here of local restaurants.
That would be a good place to look.
What is your favorite type of restaurant food?
I like a lot of things, but Thai or Japanese would be good.
Shogun looks pretty good.
Oh, I remember that restaurant. I went there years ago. I really enjoyed it.
Would that be a good choice for your birthday dinner then?
I would enjoy going there. Let's call ahead to make sure that we can get a table for that night.
2. Making a reservation.
1.
Shogun Restaurant.
Hi, I would like to make a dinner reservation.
Of course, what evening will you be joining us on?
We will need the reservation for Tuesday night.
What time would you like the reservation for?
We would prefer 7 o'clock or 7:30.
How many people will you need the reservation for?
There will be 4 of us.
Fine. I can seat you at 7 o'clock on Tuesday, if you would kindly give me your name.
Thank you. The last name is Foster.
See you at 7 o'clock this Tuesday, Mr. Foster.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
2.
This is Shogun Restaurant.
Hello. I need to make a dinner reservation.
Can you tell me what night you will be coming?
We will be coming to your restaurant on Tuesday night.
What time will you be dining with us?
Our first choice would be 7 o'clock, or perhaps 7:30.
How many guests will be in your party?
4 of us will be coming.
Please just give me your name, and at 7 o'clock on Tuesday we will have a table for you.
Great. Our last name is Foster.
Thank you, Mr. Foster. See you this Tuesday at 7 o'clock.
I look forward to having dinner at your restaurant. Thank you for your help.
3.
Shogun Restaurant of Pasadena.
Hi, could you help me? I need to make a dinner reservation.
I can help you if you can just tell me what evening you like the reservation for.
Tuesday night is when we need the reservation for.
What time do you think that you would like to have dinner?
7 o'clock would be best, or maybe 7:30.
How many diners will be in your group?
We need a reservation for 4.
I have a table for 4 available at 7 o'clock, if you would just give me your name.
My last name is Foster. Thank you for the reservation.
Mr. Foster, we will be expecting you this Tuesday at 7 o'clock.
We will be there. Thanks for the help.
3. Being seated at the restaurant.
1.
Good evening, sir, and welcome to Shea Attitude.
We have a dinner reservation for 4 at 7 o'clock under the name of Foster.
Yes, Mr. Foster, if you would please be seated over in the waiting area. Our hostess will be with you in a moment.
Thank you. Would it be okay if we have a cocktail while we are waiting?
Of course, I will tell her.
I would really prefer an outside table. Would that be possible?
Sure. If you would like one of those tables, I could seat you right away.
Sure, that would be great. Thank you.
Here are your menus and the wine menu, and would you like to order your drinks now?
Yes, I would like a vodka gimlet, please.
Sure, no problem, sir.
Thank you very much.
2.
Welcome to our restaurant, Shea Attitude.
Our reservation is under the name of Foster at 7 o'clock for 4 people.
Yes, Mr. Foster, our hostess will be with you in just a moment.
We would like to begin with a cocktail while we are waiting. Would you tell the hostess to please come and let us know when our table is ready?
I will let her know where you are.
The patio tables look really nice. Could we be seated there, please?
I could seat you right away at an outside table if you would like.
Thanks. We'll sit out there then. We will just order our drinks out there.
Can I start you off with some cocktails while you're looking over the menu?
Yes. Why don't you bring us a bottle of the house Chablis with 4 glasses to start with?
I'll get on that right away.
We appreciate your help.
3.
Thank you for joining us this evening at Chez Attitude.
I am Mr. Foster, and we have a 7 o'clock dinner reservation tonight for 4 people.
Welcome, Mr. Foster. If you would have a seat in the lounge area, our hostess will be ready to seat you in just a moment.
We are going to have a drink while we are waiting. Please let the hostess know that she can find us there.
She will come and let you know when your table is prepared.
Those patio tables are new, aren't they? Would it be possible to be seated out there?
An outside table is available right now if you would like to be seated immediately.
We would love to sit outside. Thanks for your help.
Here is your table. And now may I take your drink order while you are considering what to have for dinner?
Yes. Could you please bring us a pitcher of margaritas and 4 glasses while we are figuring out our dinner order?
I'll put your drink order in and be right back to get your dinner order.
We'll be ready to order by the time you get back.
4. Ordering food and drinks.
1.
Can I start you off with anything to drink?
Yes, may I have some water, please?
Sure. Would you like any appetizers today?
May I get an order of barbecue wings?
No problem. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. That'll be all for now.
Let me know when you're ready to order your food.
I'm ready.
What can I get you?
May I have the fettuccine alfredo?
Will that be all?
Yes, that's it.
2.
May I get you anything to drink?
Yes, please. May I get a glass of lemonade?
Would you like an appetizer?
May I get an order of barbecue wings?
Sure. Would you like anything else?
That'll be fine for now, thank you.
Tell me when you want to order the rest of your food.
Excuse me. I'm ready to order.
What would you like?
Let me have the baby back ribs.
Sure. Will there be anything else that I can get you?
That will be it for now.
3.
Good evening. Can I get you a drink?
Sure. I would like a Coke.
Would you like to order anything off the appetizer menu?
Let's see. Can I get some fried zucchini, please?
Would you like to order anything else?
No. That's it, thank you.
No problem. Call me when you're ready to place the rest of your order.
I would like to order my food now.
What did you want to order?
Can I get a cheeseburger and some fries?
Can I get you anything else?
That's all, thank you.
5. Ordering appetizers.
1.
I am your waitress, Mary.
Hello, Mary. We are all pretty hungry tonight.
While you are looking over the menu, can I interest you in an appetizer?
An appetizer sounds good. Do you have a special menu?
They are listed on the first page of the menu.
The coconut shrimp looks good. Have you ever had that?
Yes, it is excellent.
Good. I'll take that then.
Would you like to split that and choose another appetizer for half price to share?
Good. In that case, we'll also take an order of onion rings. Thank you.
2.
My name is Mary, and I will be your waitress tonight.
Thank you, Mary. We have been looking forward to trying out this restaurant.
Before your main course, would you like to order an appetizer?
Sure, that sounds great. Where are your appetizers listed?
There is a special appetizer menu right here in the center of the table.
The chicken and cheese quesadilla looks good. Is that pretty good?
You know, that is one of my favorites.
Okay, I'll take one order of that.
You could choose another appetizer for half price to share.
Perfect. Please add on an order of onion rings.
3.
My name is Mary, and I will be your server this evening.
Hi Mary. We are really looking forward to a great meal here.
Can I interest you in an appetizer to start out?
I would love an appetizer. Are they listed in the menu?
We have our daily appetizers listed on the board over there on the wall.
I am thinking about the popcorn shrimp. How is that?
That would be a great choice.
I'll trust your taste and take one order of that.
We have a special where you can order a second appetizer for half price.
In that case, we'll take an order of onion rings with our first choice.
6. Ordering main entree.
1.
Have you had enough time to look over the menu?
Yes, we are almost ready to order.
Let me remind you of the specials of the day, which are posted on the board.
Oh, that all sounds so good. Can we get the sauce on the side?
Yes, we would be happy to prepare the food to meet your special needs.
I was wondering if you have any vegetarian choices.
Yes, the roasted vegetable salad is good, and the portobello mushroom burger is also a good choice.
I think that I would like to order the broccoli noodles, please.
That is an excellent choice, and I could bring you your salads now or bring them with your dinner.
Please bring our salads to us now. We are hungry.
2.
Are you ready to order?
I think that we have a pretty good idea of what we would like to order.
Let me tell you about the specials of the day, which are chicken in a wine sauce with capers, and grilled garlic shrimp.
I was wondering if the chef could leave off the sauce.
The chef would be happy to accommodate your special requests.
I am a vegetarian. Do you have any vegetarian selections?
You could choose the roasted vegetable and garlic pizza or the goat cheese and candied walnut salad.
I think that we will split the roasted vegetable and garlic pizza.
That is a good selection, and I can bring your salads now or serve them with your entree.
You can bring us our salads when you bring us our entree.
3.
Would you like to order now?
This all looks good. I think we know what we want.
Please let me point out the chef's special, which is blackened catfish.
I am dieting, so could the chef prepare the food with no extra sauce?
We are always happy to adjust our cooking to meet your needs.
Could you tell me if there are any entrees that are vegetarian?
The cashew broccoli noodles or the cheese and veggie enchiladas would be an excellent choice.
I am going to go with the grilled shrimp with garlic sauce. I would like the garlic sauce on the side.
Would you like your salad brought to you with your entrée copyright E, or would you like it served now?
You can serve our salads with our dinner.
7. Ordering drinks.
1.
May I take your drink order while you are looking over your menu?
Yes, do you have a wine list?
The wine list is on the second page of your menu.
Do you have mixed drinks in this restaurant?
Yes, we have a full bar here.
I am not sure what I want. Do you have any house specials?
Actually, we are famous for our Cuervo Gold margaritas.
That sounds good. Please bring me one of those.
Would you like that drink blended or on the rocks?
I would like it blended.
Would you like it with salt or no salt?
I would like my margarita with no salt, thank you.
2.
While you are thinking about what you might like to order for dinner, would you like to order your drinks?
Can you tell me where your wine list is?
The wine list is posted right there on the board.
Can we order a mixed drink in this restaurant?
Yes, we have a wide selection of mixed drinks available from our bar.
Do you have any house specials that you could recommend?
Our most popular drinks are our Cuervo Gold margaritas.
That sounds like a good choice for me. May I have one, please?
Can I bring that to you on the rocks, or would you like it blended?
Please bring it to me on the rocks.
Salt or no salt?
I would like it with no salt, please.
3.
Can I take your drink order?
Where is your wine list?
The wine choices are posted on the little menu in the middle of the table.
Do you have any mixed drinks available here?
We can make a number of mixed drinks at our bar.
I heard that you are famous for your drinks. What are your specials?
Our house special is our Cuervo Gold margarita.
I would love a margarita right now. That is what I am going to order.
Can I prepare your drink on the rocks, or would you prefer it blended?
I prefer my margarita on the rocks, please.
Do you like your margarita with salt or no salt?
No salt, please.
8. Ordering dessert.
1.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, we really enjoyed it.
May I interest you in some dessert?
Yes, that sounds great.
We have chocolate mousse cake and a spicy rum apple crisp for our specials.
The apple crisp sounds great.
Since there are 4 of you, would you like to split a second dessert?
Good suggestion. Could you please bring us a chocolate mousse cake and 4 dessert forks, please?
Would you like coffee or tea with your dessert?
Let's have 4 coffees, please.
Okay. I will be right back with your desserts and drinks.
Thank you. We have really enjoyed our meal here.
2.
So how was your meal?
Our meal was wonderful.
Would you like to finish your evening with us with some dessert?
I am full, but maybe we could split a few desserts.
Tonight's dessert specials include chocolate mousse cake and a spicy rum apple crisp.
I would love the apple crisp.
That is a good choice, but would you like to split a second dessert for the four of you?
Add in a chocolate mousse cake and we're good. We will also need 4 dessert forks, please.
Can I bring you some coffee or tea with your dessert?
We would like 2 coffees and 2 teas.
I will put your dessert order in and be right back with your drinks.
Thanks, and may we have our check when you come back? We have theater tickets and need to leave soon.
3.
Did your meal meet with your approval?
Our meal was absolutely perfect.
How about a dessert to top off that wonderful meal?
Dessert sounds perfect, but I would like to split something with my friends.
On this evening's dessert list, we have chocolate mousse cake and a spicy rum apple crisp.
I think that the apple crisp would be wonderful.
One dessert will serve 2, so would you like to split a second one?
We would also like a piece of chocolate mousse cake. Could you bring us 4 dessert forks, please?
How about some coffee and tea with your dessert?
We are all tea drinkers. Please bring us 4 teas.
I will prepare your desserts and have someone bring you your drinks right away.
The hot drinks first would be great. Thanks.